Council leaders who will carry the torch of responsibilities on the discharge of the various positions of Student Council. Today we pay tribute to the emerging leaders among us, those who have shown their passion, dedication and resilience and commitment towards our collective goals. In their hands we place tributes and responsibilities, confident that they will guide us back.
Welcome you to this spectacular day, where the galaxy of thinkers, bookworms, honorable guests, dear teachers, respected parents and beloved students. How beautiful is this day? Not just because it is the installation of honorable members of Poddar International School to their workplace, but also symbolizes its education and its importance in our
from the embodiment of learning, Goddess Saraswati, as a symbol of commitment to seek the knowledge and embrace learning in every aspect of our life. With great reverence and utmost privilege, I humbly request Mr. Esteemed Chief proceed towards the sacred arts of garlanding the portrait of
या ब्रह्माच्युत
minds on this momentous occasion. The role models who inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the zenith of success. Good morning everyone. This is Amrita Dadinkar proceeding with the program forward. Investiture ceremony is one of the most important events of a school. It is here that we entrust faith and hope in our newly elected student council. Every student who obtains a leadership role feels proud. Today's celebration makes every leader feel unique as they shoulder a big responsibility in various capacities for the smooth functioning of our school activities. To enlighten our esteemed guests, we wish to share the process of how our student council is formed. The positions of head boy, head girl, and house captains are appointed through electronic voting mechanisms, ensuring a fair and transparent selection process. As for the discipline captains, cultural captains, sports captains, BWC in charge, GWC in charge, and school editor in charge. They are nominated for their role embodying the essence of teamwork and trust. With this meticulous approach, the student council takes shape, representing a detailed array of talents and commitments. Delegation of responsibility and giving authority to children is important as it teaches them lifelong skills of leadership and making them shoulder a host of responsibilities that come along with leadership. Forcing the welfare of the students' future and to train them in leadership, the school student council has been constituted. Godar International School, Shirur, has been always inspired by the fact that students are the torchbearers of tomorrow. Therefore, nurturing them and fostering in them a sense of self-respect, self-discipline, and willingness to care for others are extremely pertinent, especially when it comes to making tomorrow's global citizens. Now, I would like to call Sharayu Dhokle and Sharayu Nichit for the further announcements. Thank you.
Moving ahead with our program, now we have the badge ceremony of elected representatives of our student council members. I and due to the honor, I now request our chief guest to begin by assigning the badges to the head boy and head girl of our who was elected as sports vice captain last year. He is quite good in maths, received gold medal in maths Olympiad from 2 consecutive years. He also received gold medal in science Olympiad and also in the merit list of Maharashtra. He has scored 95% in scholarship examinations.
The head boy of this school is going to present my views in front of you. A school is a place where a leader grows and develops. All the students of our council are due to the positive environment of the school. I am here this leadership in front of you. All the academic progress is at its peak as the school is ranked 6th among the board's examination. My vision towards the school is to promote equal opportunity in case of CCA and sports activities. All the talents will be utilized and all the experience of the teachers will also be used for the betterment of the school. Now I end my speech with the Sanskrit quote, Prabhaha Karma Siddhantaha, which means the law of karma is very powerful. Thank you.
She has great leadership skill and has also reserved as a cultural captain last year. She is progressive in her academics as well as being topper of her grade several times. Being a head girl, she will always take responsibilities of her school and make our school reach a higher tops.
School is a second home to every child, and I am privileged to be a Podharite at Podha International School, Shiru. Good morning to one and all present over here. Myself, Sanskruti Gandhi from grade 10 Pearl, and I am representing the school as the head girl. First of all, I would like to thank the management, the teachers, and especially all my fellow students who have supported me and voted me for this post. I am proud to be part of this council. First of all, I would like to tell the vision of the school. It is keeping the values, not only values but traditional values along with modern techniques. And this is the same vision even I hold for my school. We will be focusing on the aspect that giving equal opportunities to each and every student in the field of sports, co-curricular activities and academic. Everyone's needs would be taken care of. Being a 10th grader, time management would be an important aspect for me. But I promise that everyone's needs would be one of the top priorities. So thank you for all and let's take this school to higher and higher levels.
Thank God to receive his badge for deputy head boy. He has leadership skills as well as experience in all the fields. He had achieved many medals in sports field and kept the school at the top.
Vibrant girl. She has a good personality, always inspires everyone by her qualities. She secures satisfactory marks every year in her exams. She also gives her best in everything and represented our school at many competitions to make our school reach higher.
Dedicated leader. His house has achieved the first rank when he was Tara House captain last. Cooperation with other students will be there.
Name itself describes her work's qualities. Being a professional dancer with which comes a lot of discipline and hard work. She characteristics and persona with will the whole soul will take care of the duty and also take our school to the higher level by getting her responsibilities.
Disciplined vice captain Advait Patil. Advait is disciplined and well-behaved personality. He has won many awards in SOF and Silver Zone Olympiads. Also won prize in under 14 boys badminton. He is overall perfect for being disciplined vice captain of our school academic year 24-25.
Karnawat is a well-disciplined girl. She understands everyone with a friendly nature and she is also a good listener. She has participated in many competitions and represented our school at many competitions. From 11 years of her hard work in this school, she is very well in academics, represented our school at Science and Maths Olympiads and also always forward in co-curricular activities. I wish Stuti for her best luck in her next duty of discipline vice captain girl for the school.
He is capable, confident and peacemaker for his post. He is in the school from past 6 years and experienced candidate in curricular activities. He is polite and disciplined. I wish all the best to Praveen Pinde for his further duties.
Arya Pachange to receive her badge. She is polite and a disciplined girl. she has been in the school from past 10 years. Being a cultural captain, she has many responsibilities to take for our school. She is very good in academics as well as a good artist, represented our school at many art competitions and reached higher levels. She has good communication.
From 8th Opal is honest and polite person elected for the post of Vice Cultural Captain. He is having many qualities to be a leader. He has achieved many certificates in curricular activities, academics and sports. He is in the school from past
Is very capable for being a cultural vice captain of the year 2024-25. She has qualities for being responsible, clear vision for her duty and being friendly towards everyone. She achieved many medals in science Olympiads, maths Olympiads, English, etc. Also represented our school at many mental maths competitions.
Captain Devendra Padwar. He has promised to keep school in discipline. He is excellent sports master. He is in the school from past 12 years. He has an experience in sports field. He is very good in academics and has been topper of the class. I wish all the best to Devendra.
Captain Harsimrat Kaur. She is a council member for Sports Captain Girl. She will always have the vision for improvement of sports department. She is good in sports like running basketball. The basketball sport even tells about the teamwork that makes the team win, and she will ensure that she will be doing the teamwork in every sport and make our school at higher competitions. She will always have an improvement in her sports curricular activities and also make our school feel proud of.
He is a well-disciplined boy with amazing sports skills and helping personality with honest and polite nature. He is in the school from past 2 years and is very well in academics.
Shin Padwar, studying in class 8 Pearl, is going to be the sports vice captain for this year. She is very friendly and honest girl. She is very well in games like cricket, kho-kho and athletics. Has represented herself at many cricket competitions and a well player in cricket.
Positive, encouraging, responsible and dedicated towards her work. She is best in sketching and painting. She is studying in the school from past 3 years. She is good in yoga and secured first position in inter-school competition as a captain and took our school to the next level.
Anya Chahel is a very active and enthusiastic girl. She will surely ensure that every girl can talk to her freely to issue their problems. Being a girl welfare committee assistant, she is very friendly and active girl. Not only about this, she is also very good in academics.
Right is disciplined and with well-behaved personality. He is a good listener and with a well-friendly nature. From 3 years of his hard work in this school, he is well in academics too. He is a disciplined and well-behaved
Padwar
person.
is an active, polite and understandable boy. He is an appropriate candidate for being an Boys Welfare Committee Assistant. He is very good listener, have great communication skills to talk to everyone and let them express their thoughts with him.
Coming forward is editor-in-charge Yashavardhan Patil. Yashavardhan has a good leadership skills. He has promised to keep the school in discipline. Completed MSc at the age of 7 by scoring 62%. He is multitasker and always curious about everything. Also have editing experience of almost 2 years.
That he is a disciplined and passionate toward his work. He has achieved many medals in Maths Olympiad, English Olympiads, and the Rajya Sabha competitions and many more.
Studying in this school from past 10 years. He is good in sports and academics too. I wish all the best to Anshul for his further duties.
Coming forward with the Aqua House, now I call upon Aqua House Captain Girl Mukta Jadhav. Mukta Jadhav is a positive and encouraging, responsible and a dedicated leader. She is studying in the school from past 3 years. She is very well in academics too. Being a house captain girl, she will always ensure that her house reach the top levels of the school. She will do a great leadership skills and will keep our school on top. I wish her same for good luck for his Aqua House girl.
Another day he's been selected as Aqua Vice Captain Boy. Aditya is well active boy, encouraging our students. He has best abilities to be a leader. He is capable, confident and peacemaker for his post. He is in the school from past 5 years.
Anushka Pawar has very good leadership skills. She has achieved much more in her life. Always front and well presented herself in academics and sport fields. Good in games like Kho-Kho and athletics, and I also wish her for her best luck in this job.
Rudra Tipse, Ignis Captain Boy. Rudra is selected as Ignis Captain Boy. Rudra is honest and caring. He is organized and committed. Communication, any relevant new to their house members. He will clarify the rules to follow each inter-house event. He will motivate, encourage the students to participate in inter-house event. All the best.
Captain girl Arya Kale. Arya Kale has been inspired by her senior, well-behaved girl. Always represents our school at different competitions. Her brain, filled with lot of knowledge, always encourages our young minds to participate in many inter-house competitions and motivate and encourage our students. I wish her best for her duty of being Ignis House Vice
Has been captain of the badminton team of our school. He won many prizes. He has wealth experience of being a leader. All the best to Prithviraj for his further activities.
Captain girl Vedika Bhattuzar. Vedika has achieved the position of Ignis Vice Captain Girl. Also achieved many medals in marathon as well as drawing and certificates in abacus. I am sure that Vedika will motivate all the students to participate in different sports competitions and will make them confident about their sports.
Coming forward is Terra House Captain Boy Sahil Bhade. Sahil believed in teamwork as working together with hard work gives out successful outcomes. The leader is always one who listens to everyone. He's one of the 10. He is here because of his qualities. I wish all the best to Rudra for his further duties.
Praniti Gafte. Praniti is a good listener, a good dancer, capable for being a leader. She is sure that she will give her 100% to make her house best, encourage and motivate our students to participate in inter-house competitions and represent Terra House very well.
Terra House Vice Captain Shaurya Sheke. Shaurya is very respectful for teachers and students. He has good leadership skills and can be good leader. He is in the school from past 4 years. He achieved many medals and certificates in the game chess. All the best to Shaurya for his further duties.
The Ventures House. I request Nishant Sankar from 9th Pearl to get his well-deserved badge. Nishant from 9th Pearl have many qualities like helping nature. He is very kind towards others. He has promised to fulfill all the needs of every student. He is studying in the school from past 10 years. Nishant for his best luck in his duty of Ventures House Captain Boy.
Coming forward is Mrunmay Gode, Ventures House Captain Girl. Mrunmay is being selected for Ventures House Captain Girl. Mrunmay is a polite and clear vision girl, being forward in every aspect of her life. She has promised to keep Ventures House on top.
So Ventures House Vice Captain Boy Bharat Patil. Bharat has achieved 7 certificates, 2 medals on Sports Day in various games. He also participated in various inter-house competitions on the Sports Day. He got 2 medals in relay running race and represented himself well in athletics competitions. In cricket, he has got 1 trophy. He is studying in the school from past 4 years and also good in academics. I wish him best for his job as Ventures House
Captain Girl Kartiki Patsarne. Kartiki has very good leadership skills. She has achieved much more in her life. On Sports Day, she was captain for all the games. She achieved 2 gold medals, 8 certificates and 1 trophy. I wish all the very best to Kartiki Patsarne for Ventures House Vice Captain Girl. Now I call upon Shivam for further announcement.
Hosting ceremony that awaits us emphasizes the essence of responsibility, integrity and dedication. Our student leaders, with unwavering commitment, will pledge to uphold the values and principles that our school holds. Here, this Government Act not only marks the transfer of authority, but also signifies the authority to lead by example and inspire positive change within.
I request all the council members to straight their right hand forward and get ready for the oath. You have to repeat after me. We, the member of Podar International School, Shirur, Student Council, do hereby pledge and promise to fulfill the duties of our office to the best of our ability. We will promote school spirit, be good student leaders, and participate in any school activities as possible. We will live out our responsibilities to our school, our teachers, fellow students, and our parents. May our light shine before God and each of you. This is our hope and our promise to our pride and our esteem Poddar International School. Shiru.
Now I call upon Afifa to read the further program.
Dear friends, as we gather here today, we are eager to hear the wisdom and inspiration from our chief guest, whose experiences shall undoubtedly ignite the leader and the entire school community. His illustrious presence exemplifies the spirit of leadership. We are very humbled to have him address us on this momentous occasion. So without further ado, with a profound respect and excitement, may I request our esteemed chief guest, Major Sambadore Sir, to kindly step forward and grace us with the words of encouragement and guidance.
Ladies and gentlemen, and parents, all the students present over here, respected principal, admin, all teaching and non-teaching staff, and dear students. I am already introduced, but still, again I want to say something. I am Major Sambadore, a retired army officer. I joined army in 1980, and after serving 35 years, and I got retired in 2014. While serving, I visited most parts of India, and it includes even Andaman and Nicobar also. I was there for 3 years. I am associated with this Poddar International School for last 8-9 years almost, and I am blessed with 2 daughters. My daughters have also studied here in Poddar International School. I would like to say you that one of my daughter, Pratiksha, she was also appointed as selected as a discipline captain when she was studying in class 8, and again next year she got, I think, a head girl when she was in 9th. So I have a long association with this school. It gives me an immense pleasure and feel honored to be a part of this university teacher ceremony program. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the elected members and hope that they will come with flying colors and they will definitely work hard for the school's betterment. What is leadership? Now we got the appointments as a leader, but you know what is leadership? Leadership is not a bossing around. You are not become a boss now. Rather, you got a responsibility on your shoulders, just to maintain discipline, upkeep of the school surrounding, and everything that what is responsibility is given to you. So now don't think that you become a leader and everything is over. Now your journey starts, and you have to work hard for that achievement. You have to set an example before the other students so that they follow you and keep doing all the good works, so that our school's name always remain on a higher side. Now, the leadership is not just simply to bossing around. It's a It involves a range of activities, including setting goals, creating a vision, communicating effectively, inspiring, motivating others, making tough decisions, developing and implementing strategies. Effective leadership requires the ability to understand, adopt to different personalities, styles, and perspectives. Leadership can be found in various contexts such as business, education, sports, and all the fields like this. So leadership has to be one has to concentrate on the job what is given to you. So better you start doing it now, right now. It creates a positivity, culture, trust, respect, and foster innovation and growth of the institution. You must have studied or heard about great leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Ayad, Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, and so on. What is the difference between leader and the boss? The boss only guides and points you out, whereas leaders lead from the front and set an example. Have you noticed the common traits there in these great leaders? There are different qualities these leaders are having, but still, there is one common trait which all the leaders are having, all the leaders. And what is that? That is selflessness.
Sir, you merely need an introduction. We are all proud of you and your unbeatable hard work in the field of education. Sir, may we please have you on the stage?
Good morning, esteemed Chief Guest, Sampath Dhawale sir, Admin Officer Vijay Patil sir, parents and all my dear students. This is not the end of the journey, but this is what we begin today. And I am very happy to be the part of this investiture ceremony by seeing our young and cheerful leaders today. From last 1 week, we are very much engrossed with this particular events to select our student council members, and I just like to share that there are 102 candidates who have nominated for these different categories posts, and out of that we can able to cater and support 38 students. But the people who are unable to qualify this election, they should not be disheartened, but at the same time they should be positive, because there are many places, activities and events where we are going to seek your support as well. 38 people cannot be the only people to lead this school. I want each and every student of mine to be the leader, to emerge as a leader. Yes, they are getting the post for this year, but I am sure that in the upcoming years there will be many more people like them, and they will be doing great in their upcoming school days. Sir has very rightly said that leadership is not only about bossing around, but it is all about responsibility, accountability, what you take to involve more and more people along with you and guide them to reach to their pinnacle of success. And that is what I expect from our leaders of this year. I am pretty sure that you might be understanding the meaning of leadership, because in my all the speeches in our school assembly, I was always guiding you people what actually leadership means. What is the quality of a good leader? What are their attributes? What they do? How they think? How they are having a clarity and sequence of thoughts? So each and everything minutely I just take down to you so that you will be clear for the upcoming days. Leaders are those. Now there is a difference between leaders and managers. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between leaders and managers? Or both are same? Managers actually follow the direction what they get from the authority, but the leaders are the people who initiate, who lead, who bring changes. They take risk, and they are risk, and that's why they are considered as leader. They are having a vision. Way ahead of something which I have thought to implement in this school is not understood by many people right now, but after 5 years the people are going to get benefited out of it. So that is a decision what I have to have the strength to take those decisions for the betterment of the future of the students, for the communities, for the society. So that is what leaders are exceptionals. It is rightly said by one of the students that leaders are not born but they are created. But they will be only get created if they observe their surrounding properly and if they are having the thought process to become the leader. So my dear children, I request you people that wherever you are, you should have your vigilant mind and a keen observation skills which will allow you to always think different and better than others and to succeed in your life. So a wonderful day having 38 young leaders prepared for the school council election and body, and I am pretty sure that in the upcoming days you are going to contribute a lot in making this school a great place for the other students who are the part of this school. So thank you so much to all the parents, our esteemed chief guest, admin officer and all my supporting teachers. Without them it won't be such a wonderful, well-sequenced, arranged ceremony. And yes, I am very much thankful to the outstanding team which I am having here who are always supporting me and to make every program successful. So well done team, and I am pretty sure you all are the leader of your own domain and you are also going to enjoy the schooling of this year along with me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
And guiding us. Now I call upon Siddhant to propose the vote of...
I am Siddhant Harwal, standing here today as a grateful and a proud student of Poda International School, Shiru. Express my heartfelt thanks to all those who made this event possible, and I would like to start by thanking our school management who is always supportive to our initiative and encourage us to strive for excellence. I would like to extend my gratitude towards our respected principals who have been guiding lights, imparting wisdom and knowledge to us and nurturing our talent. I would like to express my appreciation to our guests who have taken out time from their busy schedule to grace this occasion with their presence. Your presence have added an extra spark to this event and made this event more special. Finally, I would like to thank each and every one of you, my teachers, classmates and friends, for your support and participation in making this event grand successful. Your contribution has not gone unnoticed and I am grateful for all that you have done. In conclusion, I would like to say that this event wouldn't have possible without your support and hard work. On behalf of the Student Council, I would like to express sincere thanks to all of you. Thank you.
All of you stand up. Get ready for Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram.